Wish I could live your life just for one.
Kind of you to join me. Care for some tea? 嚟，飲啲茶。
Thank you.
Tu Jin Sao seems to be getting very comfortable in his new position as temporary chairman. Too comfortable. I hear that he is already planning to make it permanent, should Uncle Po not recover.
Big Smiley will kill him before he'll let that happen.
Indeed. And that would allow Lee to take over the Sun On Yi himself.
But that can't happen.
No, it cannot. Tu Jin must go. 但係 he must not be removed by force. He must step down on his own, after which there will be an election.
Why would he step down?
Tu Jin likes heroin. So far, he has managed to control his habit. 但係 anyone who indulges as he does lives permanently on the brink of an abyss. Nah, I've arranged for the quality of his supply to improve, and now you will give him a nudge over the edge.
Okay. How?
He is an immensely superstitious man, 好迷信㗎, obsessed with feng shui. He cannot bear to have the slightest thing out of place for fear of the misfortune it will bring.
And you want me to...
Make sure his luck turns bad. Very bad.
I like your style. I will.
Hey, what's your problem, kid? Mrs. Jiang want you to talk to me.
Hey, you broken noses guy?
Mrs. Jiang said you were gonna do some home decoration. She told me to tag along. Give you feng shui advice. Feng shui, ah. A lot of people live by it. Feng shui is huge in Hong Kong.
You believe that?
Yeah. I've been spending a lot of time reading about ghosts and supernatural. I want to make sure nobody I kill can hurt me. You know what I mean?
Goodbye, Mr. Chow. Have a nice day.
Lee goes gambling at this time. Tu Chin loses money fast. We better hurry up. How we get into that gate?
Yeah, hello? Who's this?
We got a delivery for you?
Really? My husband didn't tell me. He better not have ordered something stupid from the internet again.
Pull the muscle down.
Hey, don't be creepy.
A sex one? Happens all the time. Just ask any professional athlete.
So, how's business? Really? What happened?
I'm taking a break from...
What the hell do you think you're doing?
The boss's dog got out. We don't find it before he comes back, and heads will roll.
Oh, shit. I haven't seen it.
Wait here. I'll open the gate from the inside.
He'll fucking tell me to wait here. salty style.
What? Oh, okay, sure. You too, Salty.
Look at this place. Man, if I were him, I'd spend my money differently.
All right, Salty, you're the expert. What are we doing?
Let me tell you, huh? We're fucking with his stuff to make it seem like there's ghosts that don't like him.
What about those vases?
Good idea. Maybe just leave 4. It's an unlucky number because the word sounds the same as death in Chinese.
I know 4 is bad, but shouldn't we try something else? There's some pretty unoriginal ghosts.
That thing there, it's supposed to bring good luck. That's not good luck.
He really buys into this hocus pocus shit?
See that clock? Set the time 4:44 and unplug it.
Yeah, this could work.
Oh yeah, his feng shui is fucked now. Turn the piano so it faces the wrong way. I help, but I put my groin climbing over the wall. Hi la, my crotch isn't what it used to be. I think we're done here. Old Two Chin's gonna freak. Either he think ghosts fucking with him, or he knows his home is insecure.
Mr. Chow, is that you? Anybody in there?
What do we do?
Just hide. Stay calm.
Did they leave the gate open when they left? Anybody in there?
Hey, is everything okay there?
Looks like Mr. Chow forgot to close his gate again.
I'm gonna get something to eat. You want anything?
You ordering food from the Golden Koi soon? I'll be right down.
They're gone. Come on.
Gage, Chin loses money fast. We better hurry up.
It's like we're on camera.
God, Tana. I hate how everyone got security cameras everywhere.
Don't worry. I'll take care of it. So, why do they call you old salty crab?
Oh shit, I think he's home. Get down. 佢哋玩嘢 Those cards must have been rigged. I never had a game like that before. Never. 我從來未試過咁㗎。Why didn't you stop me? It's your job to protect me, isn't it? Fucking rodents, all of you. What is this? 你冇搞撚錯啊 Look at this. How can you let this happen? It's all gone to shit. Gone to shit.
What do you want us to do, boss?
Get out. Get out. I need to think. 出去啊 Wait. The guy left their car. His jacket. Wait. Let's take the guard's car.
Nice.
Damn well. I always wanted to get myself one of these.
One of these? Really?
Yeah, okay, fair idea.
You're a strange guy. Hey, I have a delivery here.
Nice work, kid. You got the salty style. Here comes in. See you later, kid.
Oh, salty style.
Hello,
Wait,
Miss Chang. How are you?
Uncle Po. He's dead. We're making arrangements for the funeral.
Things could get,
Complicated. Yes. I'll be in touch.
of course. Whatever you need.
could lift you higher. Just for one day.
Way! How'd the date with Vivian go? You wanna be her new boyfriend? Relax, Ricky. I'm just making a joke. So, Way, you know Fifi Meow?
You mean the movie star? Yeah, I heard of her. What's she doing these days?
She's doing another movie in the Stripper Assassin franchise. But I want the role for Vivian.
That's a great idea. That would be huge for Vivian.
Yeah, it would help her profile.
Aren't you going with Vivian to the release party?
Yeah, you're right. Good call.
We're releasing the track that King produced tonight. You have a great time. You and the hottest star in Hong Kong. Go, have fun. You know Big Smile Lee?
Oh yeah, we've crossed paths.
Good. We've got a joint venture making porn. He brings the girls, I bring the production and distribution.
That's good money, I bet.
Yeah, if Vivian pisses me off, that's where she'll end up. But there's more money if I keep her a star. I just have to make sure she doesn't flake out on me. I want you to put some cameras up in an apartment. I need it done right away. Can you organize that for me?
Yeah, of course, Sonny. I'll take care of it for you.
Okay. Here's the address. There's a box of stuff over by the elevator.
Very low calories are very good for you.
Excuse me, sir. I don't think I've seen you before.
I'm a location scout. Could you let me have a look around?
Only residents and their guests are allowed, sir.
I'll be quick. I'll make it worth your while.
No, it's not gonna happen, sir. You have to leave the premises, sir.
你咪吹水啦，打就得。
Shit!
That could be really bad.
We have to send a message. I don't know what his problem is, but we don't have to worry about it.
Did he know who you were?
Yeah, you should have seen him.
I'm doing a tour, but it'll be done in August.
I guess you know what you're doing.
You look beyond beautiful tonight. Every time I looked at you, all I could think was, I can't believe she's real.
Oh, Ricky.
She's too perfect to be real. Seriously. Every woman wanted to be you, and every guy wanted to. Well, you know.
Oh, Ricky, you have such a one-track mind.
Shit. Fucking Sonny.
Oh, yes. You know I like that.
Okay, but let me go freshen up first.
Whatever you want, baby. I'm gonna go have a smoke. Yeah, hey, Sonny. Nah, everything went great. Yeah. Yeah, he was there. He was impressed. Yeah, you should have seen him. Exactly. Fucking second rate. I don't know what his problem is, but we don't have to worry about it. Yeah, people were asking about you. Exactly, that's what I told them. Yeah. Oh, and now that you mention it, maybe I should check up on her.
Andrew, there you are. Are you fucking crazy? What the hell were you thinking arresting Jackie, huh?
Oh, I thought we were past all that. I just wanted to congratulate you on that business with Tang. Good riddance. Now, what about Sunny Woe? Anything new there?
What about Jackie, huh? Fuck, Pendrew, are you deaf?
No, Officer Shane, I'm not. But you clearly have forgotten who you're speaking to. Wei, forget about Jackie a moment. Whatever we can get to stick to Sunny Woe will obviously hurt Big Smile Lee. And we both want that.
Fine. Sunny had me put up a hidden camera in Vivian Liu's bedroom. She and Ricky nearly caught me.
He always did have a reputation for that sort of thing. Think you could get a copy of that?
Are you fucking kidding me? She's got nothing to do with this shit.
This could be the piece that we're missing on Sunny. Can you get it?
All right. But I want Jackie in return. Cut him loose.
Very well. Get me the video and he walks.
I'll get it.
All right, I have to go. Get me that video as soon as you can.
All right, Pendrew, I hope you're happy. Vivian? What are you doing here?
Well, Sunny says you've been really helpful to him and to me. And I just wanted to thank you.
Vivian, no. Wait. What's this about?
Nothing. I just can't. God, Sunny's gonna kill me.
Wait, Sunny sent you here?
Yeah, don't you know that?
Know what?
I can't do it anymore. Sunny will just have to get another girl.
Look, Vivian, you don't need to. Not with me, okay?
So, you mean you're okay with it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Wow, you're the first guy who's ever, thanks, Wei.
Thank you.